on.
Turn left. Your left signal. Leave the brake. Always let the car roll. Let's make a decision. Let's go. Push, 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 and get nice and easy. What's the road speed here?
30.
30. And gear 3. Mirror again because it's slowing us down. What do you need to know about new road?
Speed limit stays the
Speed
same.
limit. So what do we have in our left side? Cycle lane, yeah?
Cycle
so be
lane.
aware of that.
Okay. And then
Okay, let's double check cycles. No cycle. And did you spotted something?
there's no new. Oh, there is 20. It's all a bit too soon now.
Too soon and a little bit
Yeah.
faster as well. So stay calm, relax your neck. You are able to pick everything. And those speed sign beginning of the road, okay?
Yeah.
Can you see anything else now on the
20.
road? 20. Well done. And they are small. Small means it's continuous speed limit. It's just reminding you
Yeah.
that yes, you're doing great. You're driving on 20. Well done for that. To my left. Keep driving, keep driving, keep driving, keep driving. Keep it 20 for me, please. Slow down, slow down, slow down. Turn left from there. No. Early signal off. Signal off. Look, we have another junction.
Another one.
What do we need to know about Knee Road?
Speed limit's 30.
It's 30, but we don't know. Let's double check after turning. It might be something else. Slow, 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 slow. I wouldn't press the gas. Any more speed limit here?
Nope.
Well, that's what does it mean? Speed
30.
is? Good answer. Yeah, your second gear. Can you spot it something?
20 on the road.
Aha, what action do you take?
Slow down.
What do you do?
Check the mirrors.
Check the
then slow
mirror,
down.
then slow down.
Like,
Yeah, good.
All
Then
left.
gear 2. This one.
sorry.
Gear 2, gear 2. Good. Excellent. What's the road speed?
I didn't see, but
So what does it mean? Don't touch the thick marking,
means
don't
it goes
touch
the
it.
same.
The speed is same, which is?
The 20 was 20.
Good answer, 20. Let's keep our eyes if we see any reminder sign as well.
Yeah.
Come on, keep browsing. If you see any sign, let me know. Can you see any sign?
Yes. Yes, I can. 20.
Well done. Let's drive 20. 20 by itself very slow speed, isn't it?
Yeah, it feels a lot.
It
slower.
is, yeah. So if you drive more slower than 20, not a
You
good
really
idea.
no.
Yeah. Unless we have a reason to drive slow.
Yeah.
Gear 1 down. Check the mirror at same time. Gear 3. Check the mirror. Remember, any action you take, I'm not giving you so much, have I? I'm not giving you too much
No.
today. Yeah. Again, we are gauging up ourselves, our driving. Have you picked something?
30.
You sure?
Yes.
Good answer. What do you do?
Check your mirror.
And then
Speed up.
speed up. have to stop again. Now plan. Can we?
We can go.
Let's go then. Turn. Don't go too far. Remember, on the lights, we don't go too far, do we?
No. You go before them.
Yeah. Major to minor, we turn early. Sorry, major to minor, we turn a bit late.
Yeah.
But traffic light, earlier.
Yeah.
Keep following the bend to your right, please. What's the road speed here?
20.
Did you see it?
Yes.
If you see any reminder, would you please let me know?
No.
Happy days. Traffic light junction, turn right, please.